Hi guys! Today I will explain how to make voice slower in ElevenLabs. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser and then move over to the website. And this one is the main interface of ElevenLabs. First I will write a script and then I will do a voiceover of that, and then you can hear voice. So let me write a script. So I wrote this and I will tap on the option Generate Speed. So you can hear the voiceover. Hello, my name is Social Library. I'm a tutorial video master. You can see this voice is a bit faster. Time to make it a bit slower. There are two ways by which you can make it slower. The first one is if you add a comma between that words on which you want to make it stop. Let me play it again so you can hear it. Hello, my name is Social Library. I'm a tutorial video master. You can see this is a bit slower, and if you want to make it slower, then remove the comma and add a dot, then this voiceover will be more slower. So I'm generating it again. Hello, my name is Social Library. I'm a tutorial video master. So it was a bit slower than the previous one. The more comma and dots you will add, the voice will be more slower. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can add pauses in ElevenLabs.